Good morning, students. Here the question is calculate the area of a quadrilateral ABCD when length of the diagonal AC equal to 10 centimeters and the lengths of perpendicular perpendiculars from B and D on AC be 5 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. This is the question. The question is to look, this is very big, but the answer is very simple. First of all, draw a parallelogram, quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral. It means it is having four sides. This is a quadrilateral. Okay, named it as A, B, C, D. This is AC. How much? AC is 10 centimeters and perpendiculars from B and C, B and D. This is the perpendicular line from B. This is one more perpendicular line from D. Now, figure has over. Now, write what has given. Diagonal D equal to 10 centimeters. Diagonal AC equal to 10 centimeters. Now, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. H1. This is H1. How much? 5 centimeters. H2. Height 1, height 2. This is 6 centimeters. Now, area. Half into H1 plus H2 into D. 1 by 2 of 5 plus 6 into 10. These two cancel here 5 times. Now 11 into 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 into 5, 55 centimeters square or square centimeters. That is the answer. One more question. One more question. The ratio of the length of the parallel sides of a trapezium is 5:3, and the distance between them is 16 centimeters. If the area is 960 centimeters square, find the length of parallel sides. Length of parallel sides. This is the question. Okay. This is also a big question. Question is only big, but the answer is very simple. This is a trapezium. In a trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel. In this side and this side are parallel. Only two sides are parallel. So this is a trapezium. Now, the ratio of the length of the parallel sides, this line and this line are parallel. Now, let us, this is 5x, this is 3x. The ratio of the parallel lines is 5:3. So this is 5x and this is 3x. Let the parallel sides A equal to 5x centimeters, B equal to 3x centimeters. Then area equal to half into A plus B into H. Here H is equal to 16 centimeters. Here is the distance between them is 16 centimeters. So H is equal to 16 centimeters. Now, given area. What is the given area? 960 centimeters square. Therefore, 1 by 2 into A plus B into H equal to 960 centimeters square. 1 by 2 into A means 5x plus 3x into 16, H equals 16, equal to 960 centimeters square. These two cancel here 8 times. 5x plus 3x, 8x plus 8 equal to 960. Okay, 8x into 8. X equal to 960 by 8 into 8. This 8x into 8. X equal to this 8 multiplying. So this side divisioning. This is 6 cancelled 120 times. This 8 cancelled 15 times. Therefore, x equal to 15. Therefore, a equal to how much? 5x. 5 into 15, 75 centimeters. B equal to 3x. 3 into 15, 45 centimeters. A and B are parallel lines. It means 5x. 5x means 75. This is 75 centimeters. 3x. This is 45 centimeters. That is the answer.